What's up, y'all? This is Vincanity, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to stay motivated. How to stay motivated to practice, and especially practice by yourself. There's a lot of people out there, and a lot of people that I know personally, that stay motivated to practice because of other people. There's other people at practice that hype them up, people that hit them up saying, hey, let's go practice, let's go practice. And over the past year, where a lot of us we're not able to practice with other people, we have to find something in ourselves to stay motivated. So today I'm gonna give you 5 different strategies to stay motivated to practice. My first strategy is to simply find a space, right? Find a space that you can consistently use to practice. It could be anywhere. It could be a patch of ground, right? Go to the ground, practice here, right? It could be a random hallway, right? Behind your house, next to some plants. Whatever it is, find a space that you could consistently practice. Stop making excuses of why you can't practice. Instead, make space. Move the mattress off the ground and practice there. Move the dining room table, practice there. This might sound funny, but these are actual places I've actually practiced at. So just find space. Second strategy is gonna be to create a schedule. Pull out your phone, turn it on, open up Google Calendars, and schedule your practice, right? Whether it's once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, every single day, whatever it is, create a schedule that's weekly and stick to it. Now, a schedule's biggest enemy is excuses. Something is always gonna come up. You're gonna be like,
oh, I gotta send this email right now. Oh, I gotta watch this TV show right now. Oh, my shoulder hurts. Or, oh, I gotta go to the grocery store.
Whatever it is, you gotta find priority in your training, right? Prioritize your training, because if you don't prioritize it, pretty soon, a month later, you still haven't practiced. 2 months later, you still haven't practiced. Create a schedule and stick to it. The third strategy I have for you is probably one of the most important ones. And as a music lover first and a dancer second, this is probably one of the most important strategies for me and music lovers alike, because what inspires me the most to dance is good music. I don't go watch YouTube videos to get motivated. I get motivated by finding new music, good music, right? When a DJ puts out a mixtape, I get super excited to go dance to that mixtape, right? When an artist I like puts out a new track, I get super motivated to, dance to that song. If I discover some old song that's super funky, I get motivated. So consistently dig for new music, and you can do that very easily nowadays. There's a couple platforms. There's Spotify, there's Pandora that'll actually suggest music. There's SoundCloud, where you could go on and create like a breaks playlist, and it'll actually start recommending mixes for you, so you could go on there and really discover some cool stuff. I have a mixtape on there that you could listen to. It's pretty old, but there's a lot of really great DJs that put out mixtape. You could even just go on YouTube. I started creating playlists for breaks, for oldies, and the more music you put into that playlist, the more YouTube learns what kind of music you like and will suggest songs that are similar, right? So start building your playlist, and you're gonna find a world of good music and a world of inspiration. The fourth strategy is something that's gonna keep you in check, and that is to create a goal and stick to it. Say you wanna learn a difficult move, right? The only way to get that difficult move down is to consistently practice it, right? So set a goal to get a move down and dedicate your practices to it, right? Dedicate 30 minutes or an hour of your practice to doing that move. Or maybe you could dedicate a whole practice once a week to learning that move. Whatever it is, create a goal and stick to it, right? Hold yourself accountable so that one day, maybe in a month, maybe 2 months, maybe in 6 months, you'll be able to do that move. Once you achieve the goal, create a new goal. Maybe your goal is, I wanna create 5 creative ideas every single week, right? Put that into action, right? Spend time. These are things that are gonna hold yourself accountable and keep you actually motivated, right? If you're like, I need to come up with 5 creative things, you're gonna spend more time at practice putting thought, putting action into those goals. Write down your goals and make steps towards them. Lastly, put your phone down. Phones are a rabbit hole to not practicing, right? You will pick up your phone, maybe you gotta look up a song, right? and all of a sudden,
Oh, something's on sale. Oh, my friend just posted something really crazy. Oh, there's an argument.
something's gonna happen and you are gonna go through a rabbit hole of not practicing, and pretty soon hours have gone by and you've done nothing. The reason I'm telling you this is I've done this before. I'm guilty of it, but I made it a rule for myself to not even touch my phone during practice, and if I do, it's just to change the song. Your phone is a rabbit hole of not practicing, right? And as soon as you touch anything, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, boom, 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 you will be sucked in and bam, you're not really practicing. The only way you're gonna have a good practice is if you have a focused practice. And if your practice is going back between shopping and practicing, or social media and practicing, or texting and practicing, your practice is not gonna be that great. So do not touch your phone. Put your phone down, stick it in a bag, shut the bag, and practice. Focus all your energy into one thing and you will get a much better result. So once again, let's find a space, create a schedule, find new music, create goals, and don't touch your phone. And most importantly, let's stay motivated to train. All right, I hope you're doing well. And if you need some extra motivation to practice, you can hop into my beginner or intermediate breaking class using the link below. We do classes every single week, followed with drills and other things to help you stay motivated. All right, hope you're doing well. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.